Hi everybody, hope you're fine. Welcome to my YouTube channel. In my today's video, I'll be telling you how you can enable fast charging in your device Samsung A31. So if you want to enable fast charging in your device Samsung A31, you have to follow a few steps which I'll be sharing with you in my today's video. But before that, if you're new to my channel, don't forget to hit the red subscribe button and the bell icon to stay updated. Now watch this complete video and you will learn how you can enable fast charging in your device.